Hey, what's up? You're probably wondering why I have sunglasses on inside and it being dark out, but it's because I have a migraine and this laptop light kills my eyes. So I decided to wear them so you can fuck off. There's really only one topic to talk about. I have a storage shed outside and Tropical Storm Lee came through today and completely just toppled on top of it on both of them. So, what my mother and I worked 2 weeks on is now demolished. Uh, she was wrecked about it, and I don't blame her. We just finished Thursday. It's Monday, so it's pretty close together. Um, it it's completely ruined. The floor is cracked in half. I'll probably put a link in the description of pictures for you to see it. Uh, there's not much else other than the fact that I got my Pell Grant back and got a laptop and a new phone. Um, uh, Not really much else. Uh, I got a SpongeBob if you want to see that. I mean, you want to see that? If you do, you can like right now, right now, right. So yeah, that's basically it. I guess enjoy the video. Um, by the way, fan of the week. Because I have so many fans, I decided to make a fan of the week thing and subscribe wherever it is, somewhere up there.